This 3D printing spreadsheet is your all-in-one tool to streamline business operations, manage pricing accurately, track orders and materials efficiently, and easily analyze profitability. Enhance your workflow and boost business performance with this essential resource. Input fields for each order. Product order, enter the order number or identifier. Description of the print. Quantity, specify the number of units to be printed. Estimated time, input the estimated time required for the print. Actual print time, enter the actual time taken to complete the print. Time difference, the spreadsheet automatically calculates the time difference between estimated and actual print times. Weight of the print, record the estimated weight of the print in grams. Color of the print, note the color of the printed item. Material type, specify the type of material used. Price rate, select the applicable price rate for the job. Quote, the spreadsheet automatically calculates the quote based on the input data. Material cost, automatically calculates the cost of materials used. Profit per print, determines the profit for each print by subtracting the quote from the material cost of each print. Completion checkbox, mark whether the print is completed or not. Additional sections. General notes, any additional notes related to the order. Print settings, section for recording specific print settings used for the job. Going back to the top of the spreadsheet, we have the pricing rate, configure 2 pricing rates for different job types. Enter setup fee, hourly rate, and cost per unit for ease of quoting, with a section just below to experiment with the various parameters. Order tracking, automatically tracks printing hours, item counts, and compares estimated versus actual print times. It also counts the various print types utilized, accounting for the number of standard, special, discounted orders, etc. Cost calculation, calculates average energy cost from your energy bill and monitors material expenses. Immediate profit and overall profit analysis, computes revenue from orders and determines profit by subtracting expenses from total revenue. Material tracker. The material tracker is intricately linked with the print log spreadsheet, providing comprehensive management for filament inventory. Here's a detailed breakdown of its features and benefits. Material management. Standard and special filament sections. Input details such as material type, color, weight, quantity of spools, and item cost. The adjacent sections provide information on tax rates and other expense metrics. Theoretical filament usage. Based on the individual prints recorded in the print log sheet, it subtracts from the spool's weight, giving metrics on usage. Unknown usage tracking. This section is dedicated for spools where the usage is unknown, which only allows for the tracking of filament used in grams. Quick notes, this section is for writing about the quality of the filaments purchased. Special features. Popularity insights, section indicating which filament type is the most popular. This material tracker is a powerful tool that enhances your filament management, ensuring accurate tracking, cost calculation, and inventory insights. Order status/client tracker. This spreadsheet is used to keep track of the client's orders. It has a customizable turnaround time and displays revenue and profit values. Input the product order number, the customer's name, and a proper description of the print. It references the quantity and time spent per order. Enter the date of the request. The spreadsheet calculates and displays the days since the request. Use the drop-down menu to indicate the product status and select the pricing rate and other options for pricing. This section helps maintain organized records of client orders, ensuring timely delivery and accurate tracking of business performance.